Alright, back to my shout out video. But hold on, let me refresh my page real quick. Okay. Okay. So first off, let me turn. God damn, shit loud. Anyway, the first person I'm gonna give a shout out to is I'm blushing. My Gina. Man, you've been through, ups and downs, lefts and rights, roller coaster. Don't consider you an ex, because an ex is someone that I would hate to talk to, wouldn't dare try to go back with, so I just put you in your own little special category, a category that nobody else can, mess with. I'm always be your Martin, I'm always be my Gina, so no one can change that part. If they can, damn, they doing it right, huh? So much love to you. Well, I'm gonna say her name anyway. This on Facebook. Boss J Love. Really think you're a boss. But anyway, on to the next one. Oh, anyway, yeah. I still love you, right? Got mad love for you. Who's next? I'm nitpicking. There's too many folks, yo. The next one is my baby mama, Morgan. Her name on Facebook, Mo Moon. For real. I want my child support. Kids can't eat without food, right? Kids can't have no clothes without money, right? Okay. I think I just said that whole thing wrong. But if I did, I will. I'm not finna start over and do another one. Fuck all that. Much love, though. Next one on my list. Let's see. Damn. She bad, bro. Next one would be... you gotta excuse me. I'm feeling sick right now. Next one would be Raven Lee. I like your, I'm feeling your statuses on Facebook. You're killing it. Much love to you. Yeah. Remix. Yo, bruh. Killing it on Twitter and Facebook. Much love. Much love to you, man. For real. Next one, Sandy BBC. I don't know you like that. You're cute. But I do see it is your birthday. And happy birthday. Much love. Let's see. You know what? I don't know how to pronounce some of y'all names. Do apologize. The next one will be Momo Morgan. Much love, fam. Much love. The next one will be Jordan. Can't say your last name. I don't know how to pronounce it. But much love, Word. Jessica Short Stuff. I don't know how to say the last name either, but much love to you too, Mom. What's good? Keep it real. Avery Clemens. A little on the stranger side, but much love, all day. Next one, Chrissy Monroe. Because we went to school. Much love. Shout out to Abbeville. You never know how we do it, but yeah, much love. Miss Blaze, Pretty Weave Williams. Much love, man. Much love. You already know. Much love. Got my stuff for everybody. Sierra Daddy Jones. What's good, fam? Much love, man. All day. Chanel Tatted Up Sims. Much love, fam. For real. Number love. Ray Bay, you know, kind of on the stranger side. But it's all cool. It's all good. So, keep it like that. Hold on. Let's see. People still they liking my status as I make this. You know what? No. I refuse. I simply put doing my shout out video now. I mean, just keep liking the status. Not one front. Not one front. Jalea. Hope I said that. You're cute. Much love, cutie. Much love. Turn this on. Moesha with it. Much love, fam. Much love. Me and her, we real cool, but we don't know how to pronounce her name. But she always call me Ray. Matter of fact, we pull the picture up a little bit so she can see it. Right there. Hold up. Nah. Right. Yeah. Right there. Don't say nothing about the crack in my screen. It's not cool. Don't laugh at the crack. I'm gonna guess it. Taya. Much love. Much love for real. But I'm gonna point it to that one more time. Matter of fact, let me pull up your page. If y'all watching this, do not laugh at this crack in my screen. For real. Much love, homegirl. Much love. You keep it real all the time. All day, every day. Tamika Pussy Monster Jordan, aka Kitty. Much love, Ma. Keep it real. Like your statuses. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? If I can't pronounce it, I'm gonna just pull your page up. I ain't got time to guess names. Yeah. Much love, Ma. Much love. You know what? I ain't finna pull up my cell phone. It's too many cracks. Hold on. Ain't going for that. Sylvia, much love. See you in the club sometimes. Laugh at me, look at me. Yeah. Showing love. Be looking at my butt in the club anymore. Be trying to touch my butt. I ain't with that gay shit. Shout out to Lala So Homo. Shout out to my homegirl named Too Damn Prissy. She called me Ray too. So, yeah. Shout out to Maya Boy. Yeah, stranger too. Shout out to Ayo Lexi. What's good? Shout out to Tasha Wilson. Sorry. Do apologize. Shout out to Ashley Gates. Lovely So Homo Smith. Shout out to Tutta Twin. I'm not saying the last name. Shout out. Shout out to Kate and Cupcakes. Shout out to my homegirl Ty. You be getting on my case a lot. I need to inbox you my number because I forgot, But you been getting on my case. Hold on. Okay. Let's see. Shout out to damn. Hold on. She look cutie. Oh Lord. Hallelujah. Shout out to her. Can't say her name. I don't know how to pronounce her name. You look cutie though. Yeah. Shout out to you, Shawty. For real. Let's see. Hold up. Hold up, chap.
Bitches T-Raw, blood on my paws. Big booty chick, back a nigga to the wall. Never get involved, murder every ball. Shit so illegal, need a green card. Different cars.
I'm about to wrap it up. Shout out to Akon. Touch the Rainbow. Shout out. Shout out to Shay. Shy. SHA. You know, pronouncing names different. Shout out to Kaya Nicole. Shout out to Mimi Sierra. Pretty Naria. Oh, you cute. Shout out, cutie. Hold on. Shout out to my homeboy, my bruh, Mickey J. All day. Be killing the man. Shout out to you, bro. All day. You already know. Pretty Stud Nation all day. You already know. Shout out to all the Pretty Stud fam. Shout out to all the girls, you know that like us and all that. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to Tiffany Lindsay, Real Gals, Solid Killer McCray, like your name. Shout out. Virginia, No Love Evans, No Love, like that. Shout out. Shout out to Q Gibbons, much love fam, all day. Shout out to Labrisha, Pretty Princess Nichols. Oh, girl. Cute. Shout out, man. Shout out to Amber Rose. Not the bald-headed Amber Rose, but Amber Rose is on, yeah. Shout out to Kristen Brooks. Much love. Shout out to J Mac on deck. You already know. Shout out to Shane. Don't love these hoes. Gotta keep it like that. You can't love these hoes. Can't trust them either. So shout out. You know what? It's too many names. And they steady liking statuses. So what I'm gonna do is let's see. Shout out to Latasha Williams, cutie. Yeah. Shout out to her. Oof. Lord have mercy. Hold on. God damn. Y'all see that? She cute. Shout out to you. Yeah. Listen, that's the list. Yeah. Hold on. Y'all see them all right there. Okay. Hold on, it's a little blurry. Okay. Okay. You know what? I just skipped some people. I just noticed that. You know what? Even better. Even better. Let's just say. Let's just say. Keep it cute, boo. Keep it classy. shout out to, all the people who did that. Can you see the number? See, it's the fucker. Look, hold on. Fuck it, 59 people like it. So shout out to all y'all who like my status, okay? Shout out. I can't pronounce your names, but shout out to anybody who like my status, okay? I'm not lazy. Just got off work not so long. I'm a little tired, so shout out to all y'all. Much love to everybody on my friends list. Much love to all my strangers. But to rewind it back to the beginning, just have to get that special shout out again to my Gina All, She about the only person that like my status that, that got too much love for her. Even though she mean to me sometimes. Yeah, I said it. Boss J Love, you're mean, so I already know. But yeah, like I'm saying, shout out to all y'all who like my status. And have a good night. That's all I can say. Deuces. You already know. Hold on. Okay. I think that's... Yeah, that's it. That's all.